Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll dive right into how to use UPBASE for managing your content writing projects. Firstly, log into your UPBASE account. It's crucial to have a dedicated account for project management, as it helps keep all the project's information in one place, improving organization and efficiency. Now that you're logged in, move on to creating a new project. Click on the New Project button, typically located at the top right of your dashboard. The reason we do this is to ensure that each content writing task has its own space for better tracking and management. Once you've set up your project, it's time to add tasks. Click Add Task, then specify the task details, assign it to a writer, and set a deadline. This helps us because it allows us to break down the project into manageable chunks, making it easier to track progress and meet deadlines. Next up, utilize the Boards feature. Boards offer a visual way to track the status of tasks. You can create columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done, and move tasks between these columns as they progress. Let me explain why this matters. It gives everyone involved an immediate overview of where things stand and what needs to be done next. Now let's discuss communications. Use the Comments feature within each task to discuss task-specific matters. Here's what's happening behind the scenes when you do this. It keeps all related communication in one place, making it easier for everyone to stay updated without having to search through various email threads. Finally, don't forget to use the Files feature to attach relevant documents to tasks. This is important because it ensures that all necessary resources are readily available to the team, eliminating the need for time-consuming searches. In conclusion, UPBASE is a powerful tool for managing content writing projects. By creating a project, adding tasks, using boards, communicating within tasks, and attaching files, you can streamline your project management process and boost your team's productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to explore UPBASE's other features to further enhance your project management skills.